Paul, and all of you who are here tonight to support Rebecca's Hope. This has been a fantastic 5 years. As you've heard, it's raised over $1 million, and that money hasn't sat. It's been used, and the first project was the development of a lounge, Rebecca Hope's Lounge, and this is a fantastic environment on the 14th floor of the Princess Margaret Hospital. It's an extension onto a rooftop that is just off the 14th floor. It's a glassed-in area where you have a living room environment rather than a sterile hospital environment. And one can walk by there any hour of the day, seeing patients and families sitting there, having their meals together rather than in a room. And this was Rebecca's hope. Rebecca didn't like to be in the hospital. she didn't like the environment. It wasn't inviting to have her friends there. And the environment now is out of a living room where you feel like you're in your house, not in a hospital. And people can come there and congregate. The room is being used not only for relaxation, but also programs to help the patients. And I think it's a very interesting room because it gives us a view of the city, and it's a changing view. And one of the most amazing times is when it rains. And there's just sheets of water pouring down, and it's just a wonderful room to be in, to feel relaxed and have friends and family around to help people get through the time they're in hospital being treated for leukemia. Having completed that project, we've now moved on to another area of hope, and that is to develop new ways of treating leukemia and also developing the next generation of physicians who will be involved in the development of new therapies and treating future generations of patients with leukemia. And hopefully with this training and the development of new protocols, we will be able to defeat this disease. So the first recipient of the Rebecca Hope Fellowship is Dr. Richard Ward. He is a hematologist who's come to Canada from England, and I'll just let Richard say a few words just to show off his wonderful accent.